Today we're going to talk about some useful expressions. The first two are make up your mind and change your mind. Repeat. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. Change your mind. Change your mind. Let's practice. She can make up her mind about which dress to buy. She can make up her mind about which dress to buy. I wanted coffee, but I changed my mind. Now I want tea. I wanted coffee, but I changed my mind. Now I want tea. To be good at, to be bad at, to be terrible at something. Repeat. I'm good at. She's good at. I'm bad at. She's bad at. I'm terrible at. She's terrible at. Let's practice. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at cooking. I'm good at cooking. I'm bad at math. I'm bad at math. I'm terrible at playing tennis. I'm terrible at playing tennis. What you're good at or what you're bad at, write in the comments. To be interested in, like, love, enjoy, hate, can't stand. Repeat. I'm interested in. I'm interested in. Like. Like. Love. Love. Enjoy. Enjoy. Hate. Hate. Can't stand. Can't stand. Let's practice. I'm interested in learning new languages. I'm interested in learning new languages. My brother likes watching movies. My brother likes watching movies. I love summer. I love summer. My parents enjoy swimming in the ocean. My parents enjoy swimming in the ocean. I hate waking up early. I hate waking up early. I can't stand loud music. I can't stand loud music. Look up to somebody, role model, have something in common. Repeat. Look up to somebody. Look up to somebody. Role model. Role model. Have something in common. Have something in common. Let's practice. Many kids look up to famous basketball players. Many kids look up to famous basketball players. Who do you look up to? Who do you look up to? She's a great role model for young girls. She's a great role model for young girls. They have nothing in common, but they are still friends. They have nothing in common, but they are still friends. Now it's time to sum up what we've learned. I want you to make your own introduction, okay? So listen. I'm Meg, I'm 40 years old, and I'm from San Diego, California. I live in Houston, Texas. I was born in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a teacher with over 17 years of experience. I love drawing and learning languages. I speak English, Polish, and German. I'm also interested in sports and movies. I'm married with 2 kids. When I was a teenager, I wanted to become a doctor because I loved watching medical dramas. But I changed my mind and became a teacher. I don't regret my decision. I'm passionate about teaching and helping people. I'm neither tall nor short, and I have a slim figure. I have long, dark wavy hair with no bangs. In the summer, I get freckles, but in the winter, my skin is pale. I also have a mole on my cheek. I don't like lazy or impatient people, but I enjoy spending time with ambitious, outgoing, and generous individuals. When it comes to fashion, I prefer casual and comfortable clothes like tracksuits, sweaters, pants, skirts, and dresses. In winter, I usually wear sweaters, jeans, jackets, and gloves, while summer is the perfect time for dresses and t-shirts. As for accessories, I only wear a bracelet, a watch, and a ring. I like wearing sandals and sneakers, but I hate high heels. They're just too uncomfortable. My closet is full of underwear. When I attend formal events, I usually wear something elegant, like a dress. Even though I think I have enough clothes, I still enjoy trying on new ones from time to time. I'm happiest when I'm healthy. I try to stay in a good mood, but sometimes I feel sad. When things don't go my way, I get disappointed and frustrated. Recording videos makes me really nervous. You can definitely see that in my first few videos when I lacked confidence. I get mad when things don't go as planned, but I don't lose my temper easily. I'm usually tired after a long work day. I'm never bored because I don't have time to be. I hope you enjoyed Module 1 and learned something. Make sure to practice by saying the phrases, expressions, and words out loud. Use your own examples and create your own introduction. I hope you continue learning with me.